Hi everyone from Tech with Nash. Today we are doing a quick refresher on the most used Git commands. Whether you are a beginner or need a quick recap, this video will help you out. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Now let's get started. To initialize a new repository, we run git init. To clone an existing repository, git clone. To show and check the status of changes, stage, unstage, or untracked, we run git status. We use git add file name to add a specific file to the staging area for commit, or git add all using dot to add all files to the staging area for commit. To commit changes with a message, git commit -m with a message. To push commits to a remote repository, run git push origin branch. To fetch and merge changes from a remote repository, we run git pull origin branch name. To list all branches, git branch. To create a new branch, git branch name. To switch to a branch, git checkout branch. To create and switch directly to a new branch, git checkout -b branch. To merge a branch into the current branch, git merge branch. To reapply commits from one branch into another one, git rebase branch. Git reset -soft head -1 to undo the last commit and to keep changes staged. But with git reset -hard head -1, we can undo the last commit but with discarding the changes. To create a new commit that undoes a previous one, we run git revert commit hash. To temporarily save changes without committing, git stash. To apply staged changes, we run git stash commit. To show commit history, git log. To show a compact commit history, git log -1 line. To show differences between working directory and staging files, we run git diff. To show details of a specific commit, we run git show commit hash, and git blame file to show who last modified each line in a file. To show remote repository URL, we run git remote -v. But git remote add origin URL is to add a remote repository. To fetch changes from the remote repository, we run git fetch. To reapply commits on top of another branch, git rebase branch. To apply a specific commit to the current branch, git cherry -pick commit hash. But to create a tag for a specific commit, it's git tag and we give the tag name. And that's a quick refresher on the most used git commands. Hope this was helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.